Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Giant killing. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. A man once heard the idiom giant killing and thought it referred to killing actual giants. But it actually means to achieve a great victory over a much stronger opponent. So, don't take idioms literally. The idiom giant killing means to achieve a great victory over a much stronger opponent. It's often used in sports when a weaker team defeats a stronger one. For example, when Leicester City won the Premier League in 2016. They were considered underdogs. But they managed to beat the giants of English football. To remember the meaning, think of David and Goliath. David was the giant killer because he defeated Goliath, a much stronger opponent. So, think of the underdog winning against all odds. That's what giant killing means. Once upon a time, there was a small football team called Leicester City. They were considered underdogs, but they managed to beat the giants of English football. They won the Premier League in 2016, and their victory was a classic example of giant killing. It showed that anything is possible if you believe in yourself and work hard. Fun fact 1. The idiom giant killing originated from the story of David and Goliath. Fun fact 2. The term giant killer is also used to refer to a person who defeats a much stronger opponent. Fun fact 3. The idiom is often used in politics to refer to a smaller political party defeating a larger one. Example sentence 1. The underdog team pulled off a giant killing victory against the defending champions. The weaker team achieved a great victory over a stronger opponent. Example sentence 2. The small business managed to take down the giant corporation through innovative strategies. The smaller business achieved a great victory over a larger one. Using giant killing in a sentence. Original: the underdog team pulled off a giant killing victory against the defending champions. Rephrased 1. The weaker team achieved a great victory over a stronger opponent. Rephrased 2. The underdog team pulled off an upset victory against the defending champions. Real-life story: Leicester City's victory in the Premier League was a classic example of giant killing. They were considered underdogs, but they managed to beat the giants of English football. Their victory inspired millions of fans around the world and showed that anything is possible if you believe in yourself and work hard. Similar expressions: David and Goliath, underdog, upset. Opposite expressions: Goliath, favorite, over dog. Related idioms: slay the dragon, knockout punch, pull off an upset. Quiz 1. What does the idiom giant killing mean? Option 1. Killing actual giants. Option 2. Achieving a great victory over a much stronger opponent. Option 3. Winning a fair fight. Answer: Option 2. Giant killing means achieving a great victory over a much stronger opponent. Quiz 2. What is a giant killer? Option 1. A person who kills actual giants. Option 2. A person who defeats a much stronger opponent. Option 3. A person who is afraid of giants. Answer: Option 2. A giant killer is a person who defeats a much stronger opponent. Quiz 3. What is the origin of the idiom giant killing? Option 1. A fairy tale. Option 2. A sports story. Option 3. The story of David and Goliath. Answer: Option 3. The idiom giant killing originated from the story of David and Goliath. In summary, giant killing means achieving a great victory over a much stronger opponent. It's often used in sports and politics to refer to underdogs defeating giants. Remember, don't take idioms literally, and think of David and Goliath as a memory aid. I hope you've enjoyed learning about giant killing today.